Hey guys, welcome to this lovely new 6-bed HMO in Kidderminster by Ben and Dean of Dab Hands Development. Here you go, it's a really nice plaque. I did a quick walk around, thought I'd do a quick snagging for our new clients, just in case, and I'll be honest, I couldn't find a single thing. This is like really well done, really classy design, modern contemporary look, but not overdone, and this design will last a very, very long time. So let's have a quick walk around. This is the kitchen diner. There'll be some stool along there, I'd expect. Plates for 4, even though it's a 6-bed, just always stick with 4. Don't go with sticks. And then downstairs is actually a laundry room over here, tank room over there, so nice and quiet out the way. And actually there's also a snug little TV room down here as well. And this will give people a lot of privacy, keep the noise down, and give people plenty of space throughout the property so everybody's not living on top of each other. One thing I would say is that I'll probably recommend putting some noticed along there, strips along there, just so prospective tenants are aware that that's a low ceiling. We have had to do exactly the same in one of our other properties. Let me give you a quick tour of all the bedrooms, in fact. Okay, so this is bedroom 1. This is now going to be the smallest bedroom. It's the one out the front. So this one will be the cheapest in terms of rent, but this will go pretty quickly because people always want a high quality, cheap room, essentially. And this is what it is. You know, it's high quality and it's the lowest rent room in this development. And we're opposite the train station as well. That's nice. Opposite the Kidderminster train station as well. Really good notice board, very good size, and a post box post rack for the tenants. Nice flowers. I really like this design. So this is bedroom 2, entrance to the back. Okay, that's a really nice design. Really good use of mirrors to make the room look a lot larger. TV in each room, and then built-in wardrobes along here as well, which again really frees up this space. Bathroom. Okay. Right here. Yeah, I mean, it's a really good design. And then upstairs we always start, so I think it's 3 en-suites and 3 studios, and this is going to be the first studio. Look at that. I mean, that is nice. So it's an intercom system as well, walk-in wardrobe, proper fully kitted kitchen. There's a desk area, a study area over there. That's the train station right there, so it's really convenient. And obviously we've got a really high-end bathroom in here. Good products have been used. And there's a mesh system. This room 4. Quite a snug room. Walk-in wardrobe there. Bathroom. Smells really nice. That would actually really sell the place. It'll make a good impression as well. And then we go to the top 2 rooms. I can't. I think that maybe there's like potentially one doorstop missing downstairs. Missing. I say missing, but really, it's mostly to do with my recommendation that there should be one, not that it's necessarily missing. Again, another studio. Exact duplicate of the one downstairs. Bathroom, good design. So, feature walls, white walls, grey carpets, wooden wooden design lino, white worktop. Just really nice classic look, really easy to maintain. Not too wide with the colours. Room 6, so another studio. TV, cooking facilities, hob, all that sort of stuff. So these should go pretty well. But that's a, yeah, I mean, that's a really impressive. Oh, I love these lights as well. Now these light bulbs will be quite challenging to replace over time, but it looks great now, and we'll just make sure we try and find the right replacement for them as and when they go, and they will obviously go. But yeah, lovely, nice feature. So if you're interested in this sort of stuff, or if you're actually looking for accommodation in Kidderminster, right next to the train station, right next to the high street, drop me a message, and don't forget to like and follow for more. Yeah, I mean, it's just really good design. I might go downstairs again actually. All right, see you.